In this section, we are going to discuss about difference between constants and read-only variables in the C# programming language. In C#, both constants and read-only variables are used to represent values that cannot be modified during the execution of the program. However, there are some key differences between constants and read-only variables. Constants variables. Constants variables is declared using const keyword. Initialization. Constants must be initialized at the time of declaration, and the value cannot be changed afterward. They are implicitly static, so they belong to the type rather than an instance. Usage. Constants are suitable for values that are known at compile time, such as mathematical constants or configuration values that will never change. Value type. Constants are implicitly static and considered compile-time constants. They are replaced with their actual values during compilation. Read-only variables. Read-only variables is declared using read-only keyword. Initialization. Read-only variables can be initialized either at the time of declaration or within the constructor of the containing class. Once initialized, their values cannot be changed. Usage. Read-only variables are suitable when a value needs to be determined at runtime or when the value can change between different instances of a class but should not be modified after being set. Value type. Read-only variables are evaluated at runtime, and their values are determined when the constructor is called. They can be used for scenarios where the value is not known until runtime. In summary, constants are appropriate for values known at compile time that should never change, while read-only variables are suitable for values that can be determined at runtime or can vary between instances of a class but should not be modified after being set. That concludes section of difference between constants and read-only variables in the C# programming language. See you in next section.